Hey everybody, I just got a new remote for my Firestick Max. This is the original one. I keep dropping it, so I just got a backup just in case this one breaks. So I'm gonna still using this one and this both. Gonna start using both. This is gonna be an additional add-on, so I'm gonna show you how to connect this one. So just do a little unboxing. Here's the part number. It's a generic model. Uh, and it comes with let's see how similar they are. So this is the original, and you can see it's pretty much similar except for the design here. And this one I think has a this one has a hole here. See what's that hole for? And the shortcuts here, it is Hulu here and Disney Plus. This was DirecTV, which I don't use, and Peacock, and the rest are the same, except for this Alexa to really talk. About the back, it's basically the same. There's a little thing here and an arrow, and the logo, of course, is missing the logo. Let me see, what's that little pinhole over there? And it comes with a manual, and it doesn't say what the pinhole is. It just there's the levels of all the stuff supposed to be, and there's nothing there. So I don't know why they have a hole there. Okay, so time to connect this to my Firestick Max. Alright, so to put this, alright, so to add this new remote to the Firestick Max, you get your original remote. Sorry, there's a lot of glare. You go to settings. Now you go to controllers and devices. Then Amazon Fire TV remotes, and add a new remote. Now it's searching. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds on the new remote. So I'm holding it right here. It's blinking, as you can see. Oh, that's where the light was. That's where the hole was. It's ready to pair. So select the old remote to confirm this. So the old remote, just click OK, ready to pair. Now you have number 2. So this is the new one, old one, new one. So I should be able to control. See, I'm able to control. So it's working. And if I go to Hulu, I press Hulu here. It should go to Hulu, and it did. And back. So that's it. That's how you add an additional remote to your Fire Stick. Alright, that's it. Fire TV. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.